Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the vaccines and their contraindications. So in terms of all vaccines, what is a contraindication? The contraindication is the anaphylactic reactions, and this is to the previous dose. Next is the live vaccines. So in terms of the live vaccines, so what do they include? Live vaccines include the MMR, the BCG. Next is the presence of the yellow fever and also the varicella. So all this, the contraindications is that there is pregnancy and in terms of pregnancy as well as the RT. RT stands for the radiotherapy. Next we move on to the yellow fever. So in terms of the yellow fever, the contraindications is egg allergy. The egg allergy as well as the immunodeficiency. Then we move on to the BCG. Under BCG, there is symptomatic HIV infection. And then we move on to the influenza as well as the yellow fever. So this includes the egg allergy. So contraindications is the egg allergy. In BCG, it was a symptomatic HIV infection. Now we move ahead with the pertussis. Pertussis containing vaccines. So in terms of pertussis containing vaccine, the contraindication is the evolving neurological disorders. So evolving neurological disorders.